Very good morning to all of you, students. Today I am here for your computer class, and as you know, I already told you about the algorithm, and I already taught you online. And right now I am giving some videos, okay? And those video I will upload in YouTube channel, and later you will get all the details from this. So, yes, I told you what is algorithm, criteria of algorithm, also how to solve real life problem or computer problems, means any kind of problem using algorithm. Those things I'll describe one by one, okay? So, our topic is algorithm. Algorithm and procedure. Flowchart. Okay, and today is 16/4/20. Okay, so what is algorithm? Algorithm is a step by step process process through which we can solve any problem by a paper and pen. That means any kind of problem. It may be a real life problem or computer problems or any program. Means you are going to write a program to solve any uh, problem. It may be addition, subtraction, check a number is odd, even, prime number check. Lot of problems are there, mathematical problems are there. So those things you can easily solve using algorithm. So algorithm nothing but the step by step process. What? Step by step process. And this step by step process, that means you can easily express your own opinion, own logic step wise. Suppose I am giving some example. Suppose you are going to add two number. Your problem is problem is problem to add two number. Okay, means two numbers are given to you and you have to find out the addition of the number. Okay, so step one, what you will do? Take two number, it may be x, y and z, to store the result just like the variable. Okay, step 2, now z equals to x plus y. This is a equation, you can say in computer language, you can say this is a expression. This total entire expression is known as one operation. Okay, 3, step number 3, that means the result is stored inside z variable. So you need to find out the result where you will get from z. So print a display, you need to display this result. So print z. Now your problem is solved, you will get the result. So you need to stop, this is a real life problem I gave you, and easily you can solve this problem. Understood? Now this is a simple type of problem through step by step process, and using a paper and pen you can easily solve. Like this we can solve different types of problems. Now question is, what is the criteria of algorithm? What is the criteria of algorithm? Means algorithm holds some criteria. That means algorithm algorithm may have an input or may not. May not. That means it may hold or may not any input, but it must have an output. It must have an output. Each and every algorithm, it will give you at least one output. Second step, the step should be written in simple language. Simple language. That is, you can simple English language you can use. Okay. Now, after certain steps, you have to stop the program, stop the algorithm. Means you can't write infinite number of steps. Okay. Number 4, if there is a loop, I'll describe later. Okay. Loop after certain after certain iteration, you have to stop the you have to stop the terminate the stop or terminate the loop. 5, number 5 criteria, you have to avoid any ambiguous statement in algorithm. Okay. Step 6, lastly, you have to stop. So those are the basic criteria of algorithm. Means each algorithm have to follow those rules. First one is, it may have one output or not, but it must have an output. That means algorithm will give you one output. Second rules, the step should be written in simple language. You can write in simple English language. Step 3, after certain steps, or it may be 15 steps, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After certain step, you have to stop. Finally, you have to stop. You are not allowed to write infinite number of steps. Next one is, if there is a loop. Loop means doing the same thing again and again. Means you are doing this thing again and again. That is a loop. This is a loop. Okay. So this loop you have to avoid. Avoid means it should not be infinite loop. After certain iteration, it may be after 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, 15 times, 100 times, you have to stop it. You have to break the loop. Okay. Next one is, you have to avoid any ambiguous statement. What is ambiguous? What is ambiguity? Ambiguity means there is a confusion, a conflict in data or in any statement. That means, suppose you are writing x equal to n by 10. There is any value? You will get any value? No. Indefined. Na? This is indefinite. That's why this is a confusion. That's why this is ambiguous data. So you no need to write any ambiguous statement. Another one, suppose there is a expression like x equal to 2, another other x equal to, this is one statement, and the statement is x equal to 3 minus 2. That means yeah, 3 minus 2, yeah, y minus 2. Now y equal to 3. Then here we will get x equal to 1. Yes or no? So here you will get x equal to 2, here you will get x equal to 1. So one variable, it is giving you two values at a time. So there is a confusion. So this type of ambiguation you have to avoid. Understood? So, and lastly, you have to write stop statement. This statement. This is a statement. This is a line. You have to finish with stop. So those are the criteria of algorithm. Means when you are going to write any algorithm, you have to follow this one. Okay. Now let us try with some example. Example 1. So student, if you have any problem, any doubt, you can comment in my in comment box. Okay, then I'll try my best to give the uh, answer. Okay, so example, now write an algorithm. Write an algorithm to subtract two number. Okay, this is a problem. This is the algorithm you have to write this. That means algorithms will subtract two number. Okay, now after writing the algorithm, and one thing I am telling here, algorithm is, you can say, computer science is stands on, it totally depends on algorithm. From an algorithm and data structure, you can make a program, and using program you can make software. And software, you know, software, what is the purpose of software? To do something, to solve some problem. Gaming, Photoshop, lot of medical software is there, IT software, lot of softwares are there, through which we can solve our daily life problems. Okay, so this is the base of computer science. So you need to know about algorithm. Okay, so simple problem I am giving you, subtract of two numbers. What will be the algorithm? Step 1, take two number. We need two operands. Okay, x and y. And for result, you have to take another variable. It is z. Step 2, z equal to x minus y. That means the result will be stored in z. Print z for stop. Simple algorithm. Very simple, very easy. So you can solve the problem like this. Okay, the problem, your algorithm is okay or not? Is it correct? How can you check? Okay, I am giving you the process, the method to check your algorithm is correct or not. Okay, so your result, you will get the result only this one. Print means display. This is the display. That means output. You will get, this is your output. You will get only output. That is the result. Now, these steps are the internal process while you are solving, the computer is solving any problem. Those are the internal method. Means when the program is running, those steps will be executed. Okay, so that is run. Run means computer will run the program, and you will see the result output. You will get the result here. Okay, so your problem, first step, you want to give two number x, that means x equal to suppose 10, y equal to 8, and z already it is given. Number 2, z, that is z is a variable, it is no value is there. Okay, it may hold some garbage value. So step 2, z equal to x minus y, that means it will be 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Understood? Now 3, print. When you are executing print, that means you will get the result, the output. Print, when you are getting print statement, that means output. Print z holds 2, so here will be 2. Okay, so you will get 2. Step 4, stop. So you give two number 10 and 8, you will get the result, then your program is okay. So this is known as run, yeah, execution of the execution process, and this is the result output. Understood? Next, now I am going for a little bit difficult problem. Question: check a number is divisible by 7 or not. This is a this is an, this is another problem. You have to check a number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, so let me ask you one question. How can you say the number is divisible by something? If you divide a number and you will get remainder 0, that means completely divisible by 7. Okay, so you have to check the remainder. Here I am telling you, to in computer science, in computer math, there is a special operator, that is modulo division. This is modulo division operator. Okay, it will generate the remainder directly. That means, suppose I am telling you 5 minus 3, this is the subtraction operator, you will get directly the difference between 5 and 3. 5 plus 3, that is a what? Addition operator, you will get the addition of the operation two number. This is a multiplication, you will get 15, directly you will get. But if this is a division, you will get what? 1, because 5 3 3 1 3 quotient will be there, it will hold the quotient. Okay, and it will be 2, so it will generate only the quotient. Remember it, no fraction part will be written here. Okay, 5% 2, that as I told you, 5% means modulo division. 5 modulo division, that means it will generate the remainder. It will be what? 3 na? It is, sorry, 3. It will be 2. Means 5, here 3, 1, 3, remainder is 2. 2 will be generated here. Means this operator will generate what? This operator will generate the remainder directly. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, now let us try. Step 1. First, take the number, it may be n. Okay, also take another variable, that is remainder, because we have to keep the remainder in a variable. So and r for remainder. Okay, so you need two variable. N is the given number, means it may be whatever you will give to check the number, that is n. Now r equal to n% what? N% 7. You have to check divisible by 7 or not. So you have to check with this number. So I have written r equal to n%, that means modulo division 7. It will generate the remainder, means n, it may be 10, it may be 11, it may be 100, it may be 1000, it may be 2000, whatever. So it will generate the remainder. Okay, now if, now it is a conditional operator. Condition means, suppose I am telling you, if you have 10 rupees, you can buy the pen. This pen is 10 rupees. Okay, if you have 10 rupees, yes, you have 10 rupees, yes, then you can buy. No, then you can't buy. Just keep with you the money. Okay, like this, yes or no. You have to satisfy with this condition. That means you have to that means, suppose condition is there, if the condition is true, then you can do this one first work, otherwise the second work. Now here I am telling you, if r, okay, equals to, it equals to, that means conditional operator. It will check either r is equal to that or not. It will give two answer, either this or that. Okay, yes or no. You have to check that condition is true or false. If true, it will do something. If not, do something. Okay, that means like this, लड़का है कि लड़की है, लड़का है तो लड़की नहीं है, लड़का नहीं है तो लड़की होगा, like this. Okay, ये पेन है तो पेन, otherwise pencil, like this. Means two options are there. If not this, then that. So if r equal to 0, 0 means remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then go to remainder is 0, then that means it is completely divisible by 7. r equals to 0, go to step, next step will be 4. Else, if not, it will give you one result from two options. Okay, yes or no. r is 0 or r is not 0. r is 0, if 0, go to step 4. Else, okay, else if not 0, go to step 5. Now step 4, the if remainder is 0, go to step. If remainder is 0, that means the number is divisible by 7. Is not it? The number is divisible by 7. Go to step 6 already done, sorry, 5 already done, so you have to write 6. Step 5, the number is not divisible by 7. Okay, go to step 6. Now step 6 is stop. Okay, this is the, you can check, this is the solution. First I have written, first take the number n and r for remainder. r equal to n modulo division operator 7. It will generate the remainder. Now you have to check whether the remainder is 0 or not. If 0, go to step 4. It will check this one, r is 0 or r is not 0. If r is 0, it will go that step. If not, it will go else part is there, not means else part. Step 5. Then step 4, as I told you, remainder is 0. Step 4, 0 means totally divisible. So the number is divisible by 7. And go to 6. Go to 6, that means it will omit, yes, skip this step. Directly after you getting the result, you no need to check this one. If it is divisible, then no need to write this one. So it will go directly to the stop. If not 0, then it will skip this step. Go to 5. This step will be skipped and it will write the number is not divisible by 7. Go to step 6. Step 6, let us stop. Now let us check one number with the algorithm. Okay, just to see. Now according to the algorithm, now check one number. So now I am taking step 1, n equal to I am taking, that is 21. Okay, and r is variable already, you know. This is run. I am running the program and it will be the result output. What you will get, which result you will get. Okay, so this is step 1. Step 2, r equal to n percent 7. N means 21% 7. Now 21% 7, that means look here, 21 7 7 3 is 7 21. Okay, 3 7 is 21. We will get 0. Then remainder is 0. 0 will be here. This will be 0. It will generate the remainder. So remainder is 0. Step Now step 3. If what is R? R is 0. 0 equals to 0. True or false? True. True means go to step 4. Now step 4. Go to step 4. Step 4. Now the number is print. That means this is the output. So the number is, so I write here. This is the output statement. So the number is divisible by 7. The number is divisible by 7. Now go to 6. So that is very interesting. Now go to step 6. After 4, as you got the result, you no need to go for this, because if the number is divisible by 7, you can't write this one number only, it may be divisible or not, but both things, number is divisible by 7, also the number is divisible, not divisible by 7, can't possible. So you have to omit this one. So that's why I have written go to step 6. Stop. So as you got the result, that means your program is okay. Stop. Understood? Done. Next, another example. Check another example. Okay. Now n equal to run. Now n equal to step 1. N equal to, suppose it may be 12. R that is a remainder. It will be output. Okay. Now step 2. R equal to n percent 7. You have to check divisible by 7 or not. N means 12% 7. That means the remainder will be, what will be the remainder? 12, 7. 7 1 7. It will be 5. So R will be 5. Step 3. Look, if 5 equal to 0, true or false? False? Yes, this is false. Then go to else part, not go to else part will be executed. Else go to step what? 5, not 4. Look at this. What I have written? If R equals to 0, go to step 4. But here R not equals to 0. That means else part. Go to step 5. If this is false, then you have to go for else part. Else is go to step 5. Step 5, write step 5. Then print the number is not divisible by 7. Right here, result, the number is not divisible by 7. This is the result. Now, and you write here the number is not divisible by 7 and go to 6. 6 step. What is this? This is the stop. Then stop. Then you got the result. 2 example I have given. Look, 2 example I have given. One is this. This here I wrote according to the formula algorithm. Once I am telling you, you have to check the number is divisible by 7 or not. First take the number n and r for remainder. This operator is modulo division operator. R equal to n% 7. N% means modulo division. It will generate the remainder directly. If r equal to 0, go to step 4. Otherwise, go to steps 5. Step 4, if remainder is 0, that means divisible by 7. I have written, and go to step 6. In step 6, it is stop. You don't need to go for this step. If not, r is not 0, that means this number is not divisible by 7. So go to step 5. 5, the number is not divisible by 7, and go to step 6. Step 6, stop. Okay. Now example is there. First n equal to 21. R equal to 21 modulo division 7, that means 0. Why? 21 7 3 21. you will get 0 as remainder. Okay, so remainder is 0. As if 0 equals to 0, true. If 2, go to step 4, as I told. So step 4, what is step 4? The number is divisible by 7. So this is the output. You get the result. This is the output. Now go to step 6. Step 6, stop. You got the result, then you have to stop it. Second one, look, n equal to 12 r. R means remainder. n percent 7, it will generate the remainder 5. Now 5 equal to 0? No, true, not true. That means false. False means else part. Else part, what is the else part? Look, else part, go to step 5. What is the step 5? The number is not divisible by 7 and go to 6. That one I have written. The number is not divisible by 7 and go to 6. Go to step 6. Step 6. Now step 6, stop. So you got the result. Understood? So this is the algorithm to check a number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay. Now I will give you some question for you. That is homework. You will do this one. Okay. One is check a number is odd or even. Try yourself. Second one, write algorithm on those problems. Okay, check a number is odd or even. Second one is display the multiplication of two number. Okay, variable you take is you a b c x y z whatever and solve those two problems. Okay, today that's enough and thank you. Good night. Okay.